Hello everyone, I am from Akash Infusions. Let us see the demo of Akash Terumax RX model. First, plug it mains. AC indication is appeared. Then I on the machine. And sigma ml is a current delivery ml and sigma t running time, tml target volume, tt target time, and using 7 segment showing of flow rate, and here 2 slots is there, and first slot bigger slot should be used to 50 ml syringe only, and second slot smaller slot should be used to 2, 5, 10 and 20 ml syringe. And this is the syringe holder. This is the fixed wing. Now following procedure I will explain how to fix the syringe. I take 50 ml syringe, first fix it here and use the release switch and drag left and right to adjust the syringe and fix it properly in first slot. Now syringe loaded. Now following procedure I will explain how to fix that flow rate. First press set key, enable the set key, set LED blinking. Now you can set flow rate using that units up and down key. That flow rate between 0.01 to 1200 ml per hour. Now I will set 20 ml per hour. If you need, again disable the set key. If you need decimal flow rates, using that decimal up and down key. Now I fix 20.5. Again disable the set key. Now just long press the run stop key. That cleared message is appeared, then release it. Now machine running. Now machine running, whistle flow rate. If you want to change target mode, kindly follow the procedure. Press set key. First stop the machine. Press set key. Then mode key and new screen will appear. This is the target mode screen. Here target volume is showing. Now for example I will fix 1 ml. Again disable the set key. Here TML is fixed. Now clear and run. When 1 ml reach that target volume alarm indication is appeared. Follow the same procedure for target time condition. Again stop the machine. Press set key. Again press the mode key. See target volume is there. Again press the mode key. Here target time showing. You can change that hours using units up down key. You can change that minutes using decimal up down key. Now I fix 1 minute using decimal up key. I'll fix 1 minute. Again disable the set key. Now 1 minute is fixed. After when reach that 1 minute, the target time indication alarm is appeared that screen. And the target mode, another one function is there, that is the auto flow rate concept. Depending upon your target time, depending upon the target volume, that flow rate will be changed automatically. Now I will show that. I'll fix target volume, for example 10 ml. I fixed it. Again press the mode key. Now I fixed the target volume 10 ml. Then I go to target time. I fix 3 hours and disable the set key. That flow rate will be changed automatically 3.3. This is the auto flow rate concept. Now I will explain syringe brand selection. Now I am using Dispovant syringe. I am using Dispo and syringe. So here Dispo and brand I already selected. Press set key, then press the menu key. Here first syringe selection is there. Again press the set key. Here's JMS, Dispo and B-Brand and BD custom. That option is there. Already Dispo and selected. If you have any other brand like BD or JMS, just select that. Using the decimal up down key, you can select that brand. If you have BD, just select the BD. Again disable the set key. Here BD showing. Brand name selected. If you have any other customized syringe brands, apart from the syringe brands, you can select that custom option. Disable the set key. Here custom showing. Now machine running, whistle flow rate. If you need to use bolus, first stop the machine. First fix the flow rate for bolus. Press set key. Then press the bolus key. Here that bolus setting screen will be appeared. Here flow rate is there. Now I will fix 110 ml per hour. Then disable the set key. Now machine running normal condition, whistle flow rate. Just long press the bolus. That bolus mode activated. Now I taken hand from that bolus button. Again that normal whistle flow rate mode will be returned. Bolus mode deactivated. Now I unplug that AC. Here battery indication is appeared, and here also one indication is there, and here also an indication is there. That is a battery off indication, that red indication. If you see this red indication, please plug it mains. Thank you.